Welcome everyone. Question on ionic equilibrium. At 25 degrees centigrade, a solution composed of 0.01 molar propionic acid and 0.02 molar sodium propionate. So, the pH of the solution is given. Ka is equal to 1.34 into 10 to the power minus 5. Choices are A 1.24, B 2.67, C 4.42, D 5.17. Answer is D 5.17. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given concentration of acid is equal to 0.01 molar. Concentration of salt is equal to 0.02 molar. Ka is equal to 1.34 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is a buffer solution of propionic acid and its salt sodium propionate. Therefore, pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. We know that pKa is equal to minus log Ka. So, pH is equal to minus log Ka plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid, or pH is equal to minus log 1.34 into 10 to the power minus 5. It is the value of Ka plus log 0.02. It is the value of concentration of salt by 0.01. It is the value of concentration of acid, or pH is equal to 5.17. Thank you for watching this video.